Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Simon and we are the Whales of Wall Street. Got a very quick update here from BePro. So originally Bet Protocol for those that knew it back in the day. So BePro available on a couple of exchanges. In particular for me, I get mine on Qcoin. These guys have seen some great growth over the last week or so. I do think it was anticipation of this news that I'm about to deliver to you guys right now, amongst some other partnerships that they had announced in the last few weeks as well. But this particular one comes from the fact that they've integrated finally, and I think this has been well over a year worth of development, finally being activated with Polkamarkets. So these guys are basically built on the Pokadot platform via Moonbeam network. This is basically a protocol or platform based on allowing traders or investors to essentially get involved in real world prediction markets. So this is why I think it's very great suit for BePro. I invested personally in BePro myself, mainly around the gaming aspect and my knowledge and expertise in esports over the last 5-6 years through work, etc. I know what the power of esports is, but I also know as well that we're developing into that kind of like betting and prediction element of esports and tournaments. So betting on the outcome of results of the tournaments or the achievements that these awesome esport players achieve as they go along. And that's one of the key reasons why I've got involved in BePro. I will do a video on BePro in the next few days to give you a proper introduction to this awesome project. And of course, with their network launch or announcements recently as well, is creating some really good bullish momentum for BePro. And just to make that point here, last 24 hours as of doing this video, I think I've seen 2 or 3 days now of continuous sort of 20+% growth. We are hitting up to just over the 1 cent mark, not yet near the point where we were as most of the other rest of the market was at the 2 cents. But I will do believe that this should be hitting, personally, this is not financial advice, but from my fib retracement and the knowledge that I have in this area, I wouldn't be surprised to see this well over 10 cents, maybe moving towards the 20 cent mark in this next bull cycle. But this particular area here, don't be too jump too much overboard on this element here. This is obviously based on relatively good news in the last few days. I'm sure there'll be a bit of retracement like there is in the rest of the market as always. But even the last few months, I have been purchasing back in when it was down at 0.003 when I was originally buying it. But it's some good growth patterns here already. Like I said, I do anticipate it to grow faster and harder as the months go on and as the partnerships and information keep coming out. So this particular news is absolutely fantastic. It's literally just come out today, I believe. So this is really going to improve the BePro offering and provides the coding aspects that are needed to really push BePro to another level, which is what they've been aspiring to for a year or so now in this particular section of predicted markets. So do check the BePro website out, check out their Twitter as well for all the latest updates as and when they come out. It's always a good idea. But yeah, as I've mentioned, the whole code base of the prediction market protocol, absolutely fantastic for the JavaScript. I even think they've got some examples here as well of some of the actual elements of what they've been building in here. So do check out these articles. They're really cool. Bits of information coming out there. So I'll keep you guys updated on BePro as we go along, and like I said, I will do a proper introduction video to them this week. But it's one of my really cool projects for the future that I'm investing in. But there's, of course, for traders, great opportunity, I'm sure, in the coming months to take advantage of some good trade positions, buying and selling on this particular project as news comes out and as the market develops, as we've seen with the growing mentality that we're seeing now in the bullish areas. I'm sure there'll be plenty of opportunity for everyone. So please do go check out that website. And we will, as I mentioned, keep you guys updated. So I hope you found that a bit informative. Chuck that news out really quickly for you guys while I had a bit of time. Please do like and subscribe, really helps the channel out. And please do leave your comments below. Are you investing in BePro? What are you excited most about BePro? And if there's anything in particular that you want us to cover in the BePro video coming in the next few days, let us know as soon as possible, and we will get that included as well. And we'll try and mention some of your comments in the video as well too on your thoughts on BePro. So that just leaves me to just say, hope you found this relatively informative, and we will see you and BePro on the moon. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you very much.